Let's get it started in here.
And the bass keeps running, running, and 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 running,
Achilles tendon repair rehabilitation. Post-op week 3. Water component week 3. Doing non-weight bearing exercises with increased depth of water. You can increase support with barbells, pool noodles, or belts. To start post-op week 3, the patient can perform non-weight bearing ankle range of motion exercises by drawing capital letters of the alphabet to work on dorsiflexion, plantarflexion, inversion, and eversion while seated on the appropriate bench to keep the lower extremities underwater. Incorporate the lateral laminar flow to increase resistance. Add a float belt to patient's waist if needed. Continuing in post-op week 3, the patient can perform cross-country skiing with plantarflexion and dorsiflexion movements while holding onto foam barbells. The therapist will help stabilize patient from the back, adjust the flooring to keep the patient's legs extended going back and forth due to non-weight bearing precautions. The patient can perform hula hoops and pendulums on the front rails while wearing a float belt. Tell the patient to try to act as a pendulum and swing with the feet while performing alternating ankle inversion and eversion on each side like windshield wipers. Jacks can be performed with ankle inversion and eversion movements while holding onto 2 foam barbells and wearing a float belt. The therapist will help stabilize the patient from the back and adjust the flooring as needed to keep the patient's legs extended without touching the floor. The patient can deep water running or bicycling while wearing a float belt. Tell the patient to keep their movement controlled. The therapist will help stabilize the patient from the back and adjust the flooring as needed to keep the patient's legs extended without touching the floor. Incorporate the laminar flow as tolerated.